morning. Good morning, dear.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, Kanishka, right? Kanishka.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good morning, ma. Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, dear. How are you all? Are you fine? Did you had your breakfast?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Yes. Very good, Abhika. Yes. Keep it safe. We are going to do activity. Very good.
Okay, ma'am.
After you just wish me இல்ல நீங்க எல்லாரும் மியூட்ல போட்டுருங்க so that glitching இருக்காது. So everybody can mute. Sanjay Kumar, I couldn't see your visuals, ma. Yes. Navneesh, good morning. Navneesh, I couldn't see your visuals. Please turn on the visuals, ma. Yes. Smile. Why you all are looking very sad? Because your mom woke you up in the morning by 8 o'clock or 7 o'clock?
Wow.
Huh? Smile.
I'm happy.
Yeah. Very good. You should be always happy, okay? Help your parents. See, all your parents are teaching, isn't it? So now they are the first teacher at home. Okay, obey them. Right? Yes, Jaden. Good morning, Jaden.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, why are you sad, Jaden? Smile. Ah, very nice. Looking nice. Good. You're happy? All are happy? Thumbs up. Yes, I am also happy to see you after a long break. But I'm seeing all your works, okay, what you're doing, all your assignments. It's very nice, colorful, okay. So I'm very happy that you're doing that, too, especially this first batch. Almost everyone are superb, okay. All the parents are guiding very well, and all the children you so beautifully, right? But keep on practicing just for not that day. Every day you have to learn. Fix one time. Every day you learn with your mom or your dad, okay? And all your videos I'm seeing, very good, very well done, right? I'm just waiting for a few others. That's why I couldn't start.
பண்ணிட்டேன் இதுல வந்து நோ போட்டேன்
இது
அது இல்ல
Okay. All are eager to know what is going to happen today, right? Don't worry, we are going to have fun, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Yojit, good morning, Yojit. He's connecting. Yes, next time all should come 2 minutes early. Okay, if the time is 9 o'clock, you have to log in by 8:55, like that. Okay, 8, sorry, not 8:55, 8:58. 2 minutes early, you should log in. Then only we can have a 40 minutes class or 35 minutes of class. Otherwise, we will be missing out. Right, yes, Sharvin Raj, good morning. You have come. Yojit, I couldn't see your visuals, ma. Turn on your visuals. Yes. Right, I think we have to start.
குட் மார்னிங் சார்
Good morning. Yojit and Sharvin Raj, turn on your visuals, ma. Yes. Okay, we will start. Before we start, always what we do in our classrooms, we used to pray, isn't it? We have to thank God, right? Shall we all thank God? Just join your hands and close your eyes. You put your mics on mute, no problem. You can pray, let your parents hear it because we have heard a lot of times you praying in the school. So you mute it because when everyone says, there'll be some glitching problem or something, right? Just join their hands and close your eyes. We will pray. Loving Father, hear our prayer. Keep us in thy loving care. Guard and guide us this whole day in our work and in our play. Amen. God bless mommy. God bless daddy. Help me always to keep them happy. God is love. Amen. Good morning, children. Just put a thumbs up here. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, just you show thumbs up. I can see you. So how ma'am is doing, no? Right. So again, bright welcome back to all the parents and all my dear, dear children. I'm really missing you a lot in the regular class, okay? Because I wanted to see you. I wanted to be happy with you, doing a lot of activities this year. But see, but because of this COVID-19, we are all locked up in the rooms of a house, isn't it? But that too, it's a great thing. So now I can come to your house, and you all have come to my house too, isn't it? Through this visual. Okay. See here, a lot of beautiful pictures because for you only I've done it. Okay. I purchased this because of to entertain you all. I hope it's nice. See, butterflies are flying and all. See the clouds. I like this. And because I couldn't show any charts and teaching aids in the classroom, so a small thing which you like it, okay? Right. Um, Again, I'm telling to all the parents, really your support, like 80% now you're the teacher. Just we are assigning the work and 80% you're a teacher. So hats off to you all. Yes, good morning. Hats off to you all, and really you're doing very well. So thank you for the support for the betterment of the learning. Really, without you, we cannot make it this through. Okay, and to all the parents, myself, and all the children, you're going to clap for your parents. Shall we clap? Clap, 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 clap for your parents. Say thank you, mommy, and thank you, daddy. Yes. Thank you so much. Right. Today, it's a special day. Okay. We are going to do only activities. We are going to have fun. Okay. Tomorrow is a special day. Why we have gathered today, you know? So, tomorrow is Muharram. So, that's why we couldn't meet you tomorrow. Every Saturday, we are going to meet. Hereafter, every Saturday, we are going to meet because tomorrow is Muharram and it's a government holiday. We couldn't meet you tomorrow. So tomorrow is a very special day. Okay, it's a national sports day. Okay, it's our national sports day. And why we are celebrating that national sports day, you know, on behalf of Dhyan Chand. He is a hockey player. Dhyan Chand, his birthday is tomorrow. Okay, you can go Google search and see who is Dhyan Chand. I will also show you in the visuals. Okay, he's a great hockey player. That's why on behalf of Dhyan Chand's birthday, tomorrow will be a national sports day. And our national game is hockey. So we are proud. Our national sport is not always a cricket; it's a hockey, right? So we should be proud to be an Indian, and we have to be proud to have Dhyan Chand as a great hockey player, right? All right. Before we start anything, we will just have let's have rock, right? First, I will show you the screen sharing. Just you say, see the screen sharing, children. Yes, your ma'am is here only. Don't think I'm gone somewhere. Okay, see? Now he is Mr. Dhyan Chand. He's a great hockey player. And he is representing our hockey team and tomorrow his birthday. So we are going to celebrate his birthday as National Sports Day. So today it's going to be a lot of, but we cannot do sports like how we do every day, like cricket. Right. I think your favorite game is hockey, right?
National Sports Day.
What is your favorite game, children? Do you know? What all you like to play? Yes, ball. 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 Yes, you play cricket. Very good. You play cricket.
My favorite game is
Hockey you play?
Hockey you play?
Ball. Like children. Then
Yes, ma'am.
cricket. Very good. Then what else?
Volleyball.
And one more thing I wanted to say. What is this, children? What is this? What is this? Do you know what is the shape of the ball? Do you know what is the shape of the ball?
Shape.
It is round. Okay? It's not circle. Okay? In the videos also some of you have said circle, but it's not circle. It is round. The ball is round. Okay? See?
Round.
They have no.
Ball is round.
It's round in shape. Okay? This is the ball, right? We can play with the ball. We can throw the ball. We can catch. Isn't it? So, with your mom and dad at home also, you can also play a ball, right? Before that, have a beautiful the screen chat. You are also going to listen and we'll dance, okay? Yes, look at the screen. Are you ready to hear the song? Hey children, it will open now.
Number தானே இது
Let's start up and get ready to play. Start jump. Let's start jump. Let's start jump. Let's start jump. Let's start jump. To this song. Jump forward, jump back now. Jump forward, jump back now. Jump forward, jump back now. To this song. And shuffle. Shuffle, shuffle your feet. Shuffle, shuffle. Shuffle, shuffle your feet. Shuffle, shuffle. Shuffle, shuffle your feet. Jump left and jump right now. Jump left and jump right now. Jump left and jump right now. To this song. And shuffle. Shuffle, shuffle your feet. Shuffle, shuffle. Shuffle, shuffle your feet. Shuffle, shuffle. Shuffle, shuffle your feet. Let's start jump. 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 To this song. Jump forward, jump back now.
Do you all like this? Did you all hear the song?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, was it nice? Shall we all do? All of you stand up. All the children stand up, stand up, stand up. Stand up near your mummy. Stand up. Stand up. Okay. Now we are going to sing. Right? We are going to sing by ourselves. Right? Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Let's start jump. Let's start jump. Jump, jump. Let's start jump. Let's start jump. Let's start jump. Let's start jump. To this song. To this song. All of you jump. You know what is a star jump? They did like this, isn't it? Yes. So that is a star jump. Right. You're going to do. Ready? I'm going to sing. You're going to do. Yes, I can see many of you. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Let's start jump. 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 To the song and shuffle. Shuffle, shuffle your feet. Shuffle, shuffle. Shuffle, shuffle your feet. Shuffle, shuffle. Shuffle, shuffle your feet. Let's start jump. 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 To this song and shuffle. Shuffle, shuffle your feet. Shuffle, shuffle. Shuffle, shuffle your feet. Shuffle, shuffle. Shuffle, shuffle your feet. Jump forward, jump backward. Jump forward, jump back now. Jump, jump. Jump forward, jump back now. This song. Shuffle, shuffle. Shuffle, shuffle your feet. Shuffle, shuffle. Shuffle, shuffle your feet. Shuffle, shuffle. Shuffle, shuffle your feet. Let's start jump. 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 To this song. Now left and right. You're going to jump. Jump left and jump right now. Jump left and jump right now. Left and right. Jump left and jump right now. To this song. Shuffle, shuffle. Shuffle, shuffle your feet. Shuffle, shuffle. Shuffle, shuffle your feet. Shuffle, shuffle. Shuffle, shuffle your feet. Let's start jump. 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 To this song. To this song. To this song. Hey, did you all like it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yay! Did you all enjoy? Superb, no? So why we did, this is actually this is a warm-up exercise, right? Did you see in the video before starting the ball or before starting the throw ball or before starting the tennis, okay, or cricket, what they will do, Now the cricket players, have you seen the cricket players, Dhoni, Reina, and so Virat Kohli, all what they will do? They will do some exercise, warm-up exercise, isn't it? So that's why we did star jump. Okay, that is called star jump. Putting your feet apart and putting your hands apart, that is called star jump. So every time before you play, what they will do? They will do warm-up exercise because we are all small children, no? That is why this funny, jolly and happy warm-up exercise. Did you all like it?
Yes.
Yes. Right. Every day you can do this exercise, right? You can just switch on the video or switch on the TV and do this funny exercise, okay? It's available. See how beautifully they have done, no? All the children before playing the basketball, because you know the muscles, the hand muscles, the thigh muscles, everything will be loosened, right? And then you can play well. Okay, yes. If you do exercise, you'll become very strong, isn't it? Very strong. Now we are in lockdown. We cannot go for running around the park or beach or anywhere. But you can do this happy and jolly exercise. Okay, we will do star jump, right? Same way, even our sportsman, we all have a tribute. We are all going to have a tribute to the sportsman, right? So who all have played for the India. We are all proud and pride to be Indians. And then we are going to enjoy the days to come. And you also should take one beautiful sport, and then you are going to play. Okay, play for India, play for your country. Okay, right? Do you all like the song?
Sure, ma'am.
Yes. Now we all finished doing exercise, isn't it? Now
Yes, ma'am.
you and your mommy or daddy, whoever is beside, be ready. We are going to do some fun activity. Okay? Are you all ready? Ask your mummy or ask your daddy to sit beside you.
Ready?
Ready, ready, ready?
Ready?
Yes. I'm happy seeing you all. Right. I told you no? Spoons. So give one spoon to your mummy. Give one spoon to your mummy. Yes. Parents, நீங்க என்ன பண்ணணும்னா, what you're going to do is, you're going to keep your one spoon, your spoon, not the children, only the parent. You have to keep it in your mouth. You have to balance the tomato or an onion. Okay, you cannot balance. That's why I didn't choose lemon. நீங்க balance பண்ணனும். Meanwhile, what they will do, the children will do one fine motor activity. The children will do one fine motor activity. See here, there are 2 cups. 1 cup is full of, I have brought raw rice. Okay, whatever you have, okay, you can use it, whether it is a tur dal or any other dal or any rice, raw rice. Okay, this is empty and this is full. Okay, so the children, what they are going to do, I'm going to give a time limit. Okay, they're going to take the rice spoon by spoon. They're going to drop it in the next bowl. Okay, they're going to drop it in the next bowl till they finish it without pouring it down. Without, this is a pouring activity, a fine motor skills. அவங்களுடைய என்ன சொல்றதுன்னா, அவங்களோட ஹேண்ட் ஷேக் ஆகாம இருக்கிறதுக்கு. ஓகே, அந்த ட்ரைபாட் ஹோல்டிங் நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா அந்த ஸ்பூன் வந்து அவங்க எப்படி பென்சில் பிடிக்கிறாங்களோ அதே மாதிரி தான். ஸோ இட்ஸ் ஃபைன் மோட்டார் ஆக்டிவிட்டி. ஸோ இந்த ஸ்பூன்ல வந்து சிந்தாம அவங்க வந்து அடுத்த பவுல்ல டிரான்ஸ்ஃபர் பண்ணிக்கிட்டே இருப்பாங்க. கம்ப்ளீட்டா அவங்க டிரான்ஸ்ஃபர் பண்ணி முடிக்கணும். அப்படியே கொட்டிடக்கூடாது. They have to transfer like this, taking spoon by spoon from one bowl to another bowl. அவங்க முடிக்கிற வரைக்கும் பேரண்ட்ஸ் நீங்க வாயில வச்சுக்கிட்டே விழாம, இந்த டொமேட்டோ வந்து கீழே விழாம நீங்க பேலன்ஸ் பண்ணிக்கிட்டே பிடிச்சிருக்கணும். ஓகே, சோ தட் இஸ் a game. விட்டுட்டீங்கன்னா நீங்க அவுட். திருப்பியும் நீங்க வந்து you have to balance. Why I didn't choose lemon? No, lemon ஈஸியா நின்னுடும். அதனாலதான் டொமேட்டோ ஆர் ஆனியன் எதுவா இருந்தாலும் பரவாயில்ல. Now all the parents நீங்க வாயில வச்சுக்கோங்க. ஐயோ, I couldn't balance. நீங்க பேலன்ஸ் பண்ணுங்க. ஓகே, பேலன்ஸ் பண்ணிட்டீங்களா? Yes, very good, very good. Now come on children, transfer without pouring it down. Come on Mukesh. Very good. Varunika. எனக்கு பேரண்ட்ஸ் தெரியலையே, சில பேரண்ட்ஸ் தெரியல. கீழே போடக்கூடாது தக்காளிய. வெரி குட். ரைட். ரொம்ப சின்ன தக்காளியா வச்சிருக்கீங்க நிறைய பேரு. நல்ல வெரி குட். Navanish, I couldn't see you. Yes, parent. Very good. Balance. கீழே போடாம டிரான்ஸ்ஃபர் பண்ணணும். அவங்க ஃபுல்லா போட்டு முடிக்கிற வரைக்கும் பேலன்ஸ் இட். Come on, come on. You should not drop. You should not drop. Beautiful, beautiful. Yes, you should not drop. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, to all the parents, சொல்லிட்டே இருக்கேன், அதே கவனிச்சிட்டே இருங்க. This is a fine motor skill activity where they will have அப்படியே கொட்டக்கூடாது. Till the last you have to yes. Till the last you have to take it and drop it like this. Transfer. This is called transferring. Completed. Yay! Very good. Very good. Very good. Good, Mehbooba. Good, Veronica. Yes, good. Urumai, you are teaching them. Yes, good children. Good children. Okay, இது வந்து பொறுமையும் காட்டுது, சில்ட்ரனுடைய பொறுமையும் காட்டுது. ஃபைன் மோட்டார் ஸ்கில்ஸ், டிரான்ஸ்ஃபரிங். சோ நீங்க வந்து இதே மாதிரி நாட் only this one, வாட்டர் கூட டிரான்ஸ்ஃபர் பண்ணலாம் ஸ்பூன்லயே. வாட்டர், ஓகே. சோ தட் தே வில் பில்ட் தி ஃபைன் மோட்டார் ஸ்கில்ஸ். இதெல்லாம் வந்து ஸ்கில் ஆக்டிவிட்டி. இது சும்மா விளையாட்டுன்னு இல்ல. this they are learning the skill how to be careful. Okay, when they are transferring, how to be careful and how to hold the spoon, how not to spill it down. So ஒரு பொறுப்பு வளரும். That is why this fine motor activity. So really I enjoyed, and I'm just giving all the parents a clap. Okay, good, 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 good. Right. நல்லா தெரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க, பிள்ளைங்க வந்து நீங்க எந்த ஒர்க் கொடுத்தாலும் செய்வாங்க. அது எல்லாமே ஸ்கில் டெவலப்மெண்ட் தான். ஸோ நீங்களும் வந்து உங்க பிள்ளைங்களை வந்து அதர் ஆக்டிவிட்டிஸ், ஹவுஸ் ஹோல்ட் chores எல்லாம் பண்றதுக்கு நீங்க வந்து நீங்க மோட்டிவேட் பண்ணலாம். So this is one game, right? All did very well. Yes. Now another activity we are going to do. This is only for the children. Okay? This is only for the children. Yes.
Ma'am, another child, Akshita ka online class time ஆயிடுச்சு ma'am. எவ்வளவு நேரம் உங்க கிளாஸ் நடக்கும்? 1
Ma'am, this is also ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay. முடிஞ்சிருங்க இப்போ.
இல்ல இன்னைக்கு ரிவிஷன் எக்ஸாம்காக ரிவிஷன் நடக்குது ma'am.
Okay,
டைம் ஆயிடுச்சு.
no problem. இருங்க, நீங்க வந்து பேர் மட்டும் சொல்லிடுங்க. கேஷவன் இருக்காங்க, தக்ஷித கண்ணன், சஞ்சய் குமார். ஓகே.
சிவானி,
ஏடன் சாம்வேல். ரைட். டைம் ஆயிடுச்சுனா நீங்க you can leave the meeting. நவனீஷ்.
ஏனோ ரெகுலரா கிளாஸ் இருக்கா மேம்?
இல்ல 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 இல்ல, எவ்ரி சாட்டர்டேஸ் தான். நாளைக்கு வந்து மொஹரம், அதனால தான் நாங்க ஃப்ரைடே வச்சிருக்கோம். ஓகே, ரைட். others look at this ma. Take this. Right. Hand fan. Okay, we are going to do hand fan. Right, you're going to fold up frontwards, and folding frontwards and backwards. Right, you know fan folding, frontwards and backwards. Okay, now children, you're going to do, right? Ready? Even I'm going to do. Start doing. Yes, the meeting is going to end. Okay, meeting is going to end within 10 minutes. So we are going to fan fold. Come on. Yes, children should do. Children should do. நீங்க பக்கத்துல இருந்து கைட் பண்ணுங்க. Because this is also a fine motor activity. So they were using these 2 fingers, and frontwards and backwards they are folding. Parents, every Saturdays தான் நம்மளுக்கு classes இருக்கும். So it's going to be fun and motivation for all the children. Okay, because to timing, same timing, 9 o'clock. For first,
அட்லீஸ்ட் ஒரு 11 o'clock 10 o'clock மாறாதா?
இல்ல எல்கேஜிலாம் இருக்கு. Today also LKG is there. அவங்கெல்லாம் குட்டி பசங்கள்ல இவங்களை விட. Okay. So every Saturday 9 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 6:30 எழுப்பிருங்க.
அவங்க
So, because we don't want our what is that siblings to get disturbed, that's why we have opted Saturday only half an hour to 40 minutes class. Yes, hand fan is ready. So this develops your finger fine motor activity. Yes, done. Have you done?
மேம் பண்ணிருக்காங்க.
You all do? Yes. Finish. Yes. So, if there is a power cut in your house, you can make a hand fan and you can just breeze it. See, you breeze it, breeze it. See, can you get see my hair is flying? Yes. It is a fan, it is a hand fan. We love to do make this fan. Wow, we get a breeze from my hand fan. This is the way we blow. This is the way we get breeze. Hand fan, my colorful hand fan. My colorful hand fan. Very good. So keep this, stick it wherever you want, even in your coloring book, isn't it? Right? Did you all enjoy today?
coloring book
Yeah, you can see it in the coloring book. Coloring book and the drawing book. And the plain book adula kuda stick panikalam. Hand fan, today's date போட்டுட்டு online activity போட்டுருங்க. Okay? Okay, I am really happy about this batch. First batch, superb. All are doing great. All mothers, first teachers here. So the parent teacher is doing very good, and all of you do well. All your videos are superb. Very nicely you're learning. Okay, don't what is that? Don't think that we are pressuring you. It's very fun usually when you sit with the children and நீங்க எடுத்துக்கல முயற்சியில வந்து children you should also listen your mommy and daddy. Okay, put your thumbs up. Will you all listen your mommy and daddy? Will you all learn? Yes. Now all of you kiss your mommy. All of you kiss your mommy. Say thank you. Say thank you, mommy. Kiss your mommy and say thank you. Yes. Okay. Very good. Thank you. Okay, children. Now next Saturday we will see you. Right? Sharvin, everybody are doing very good. Okay. I've seen in the video. Superb. Right? Now one by one I will wish. Bye-bye. You should say bye-bye and leave the meeting. Okay? That's all over. So today is a happy day. Don't forget about Dayan Chand. Tomorrow is birthday. It's a National Sports Day, right? Okay, now Muthu Prabha, bye.
Bye.
Muthu, bye. Yes, Mehbooba, bye, dear. Shivani, bye. Mukesh, bye. Akifa, bye, dear. Avanish, bye. Your video was very nice.
Bye.
Aiden, bye. Your video was very nice. Keshavan, you also. Sharvin Raj, your video is very good. Nice. Bye, dear. Dakshita Kannan, bye. Nicely you're doing. Very good. Okay, Varunika, bye. You're doing very good. Your mummy is training very well. Very good.
Thank you very
Sanjay
much.
Kumar, bye. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Deepa Merlin, Pritika Agla. Yes, Pritika. Very good, Pritika. You're doing very good job. Okay, we will see you on Saturday. Next Saturday, we will see you. Right, bye Dakshita, bye Sanjay, bye Varunika.